Hi everybody, this is the Math 31 derivatives review. This is question 9. Find the points on the curve fx equals x over x minus 1, and we're looking for this where the tangent line is parallel to that guy right there. Now, I got to interpret what that means. If it means parallel to that line, what I got to do here is figure out the slope of that line. Now again, that line is that right there. Because parallel to means the same slope here. So I'll bring the x over, so 4y is equal to negative x plus 1, and divide, and we get that the slope here is equal to negative 1/4. So what I'm looking for here are the points where the slope of this line, the slope of the tangent to this line, is equal to negative 1/4. Okay, well, that means I got to take the derivative of this thing. Oh, excuse me, wow, I'm sorry. Ooh, that feels better. Okay, f primed, the derivative, okay, is going to require the use of the quotient rule here. So the derivative of the numerator is just going to be 1 times x minus 1 minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, which is just going to be 1, over x minus 1 squared. Okay, well, the numerator here is going to end up being, well, you're going to get x minus x, that's going to go away, and then you're going to be left with negative 1 over x minus 1 squared. So that's the derivative. So now what we got to do is set that equal to the value, that negative 1/4 that we got. So negative 1/4 is going to equal negative 1 over x minus 1 squared. The negatives here, we can cancel out a negative on both sides here. I might multiply both sides by 4, multiply both sides by x minus 1. So we're going to get x minus 1 squared is equal to 4. Take the square root of both sides to get x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 2, which means x is going to equal either. Now I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So it's either going to be 1 plus 2 or 1 minus 2, negative 1. Great. Those are the two values of x where this is true. That does not, however, answer the question, because the question was asking for what points on the curve. So now I got to go back to the, running out of let here. I got to go back to the original equation here, and if I plug 3 into that, that's going to be 3 over 3 minus 1, so 3 comma 3 halves, and then it'll be negative 1. And I go into here, negative 1 over negative 1 minus 1, which is negative 2. Now the negatives will cancel here, so this will end up being negative 1 over 1/2. And those are the 2 points that I was looking for.